up guys, welcome back to another video. It is 5 PM. I know, quite late to start a vlog. There's a reason. We're doing some cool shit tonight. We're going on a cruise. It is an event. It's called Cruise for Children's Hospital or something. Children's Hospital Cruise, something like that. Going in my friend's V8 Turbo, Hectic Habib style, as you do, very dose. But yeah, it should be pretty good. As you just saw from that little tiny compilation, I went to uni, and I came back just then. So uni was okay, Friday's my full day, so whatever. Nothing too crazy exciting or anything like that, but hopefully tonight is gonna be good. It should be, you know, there should be lots of really cool, really loud cars, I'm guessing. I'm guessing they're gonna be quite loud. I think there's gonna be like a Burnout car there or something. I don't know what's happening, but it should be good. Maybe not. Just I really want to bring the drone. Probably not a good idea, because I'll be flying it in places that I shouldn't, and it will be quite dark fairly soon, so but I don't really want to fly it, and I really want to bring it. Be sensible, Adam. Be sensible. You've already crashed this thing once. We're not going to crash it again. Probably can't see me right now, but you can't see that car either. But basically, it's a Burnout car with an LSA in it that is broken down and isn't coming, which sucks. And Bailey's here too, but you can't see Bailey either because everything's pitch black. We will be heading off soon. So we're just in the line to get in. As you can tell, it's quite loud because there is a rotary just down there. Loud as fuck Commodore behind me. It's pretty sick. There's a nice line going in, which is always good. That's what you want with a car meet, because that means there's lots of nice cars here. And so far, just in this line, I've just been walking up and down filming people's cars. It's been pretty sweet. This should be sick. Little road dude buggies. This place is insane. It's freaking going off. When there's a DeLorean here and it's owned by people, and look how clean that is. Check this out. So clean. Look at it. That is ridiculous. How many people do you reckon are here? I reckon there is easily over 1,000. Easily. This Ikea car park is full. There's only like a couple of regular people here. It is like, oh, what the hell is that? I know, I was gonna say. Someone explain to me what that is. I don't know. I reckon this guy got confused and he was like, pop-up headlights I know. And he was like, why not both? So he got both. Popo and highway patroller here. I guess that was bound to happen with this car. Oh Jesus. Oh my god. That moment when you're just a normal civilian and you walk out of your Ikea midnight shop to this. When all you can just feel is the rumble in your chest. It's insane.
So there's this policeman here showing all the little kids like what the cop cars can do, things like that, just letting them touch the siren and everything. And I think that's pretty cool. I'm pretty chill, guys. There's something making a shit ton of noise. I want to know what it is. Ah! What the fuck is that? What the fuck? I'm actually starting to get a headache from all the freaking cars. It's ridiculous. Every time someone leaves. Put something into perspective of how loud all this shit is. The ground is shaking from the cars. That's not a sub, it's from the cars. That is going to do it for today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope it was sick enough for you. I hope there was enough cool cars and loud sounds for you. I desperately need to go to bed, and yeah, because it's quite late and I got to get up early to do more shit like usual. So I will see you in tomorrow's video, where you will see an extremely tired Adam. I'll see you then. Catches.
Got my coffee on the car floor. What's more, Triple J, ignorance today. Earbuds, earbuds.